He's tough, huh?
He's just not taking hits though. Like my drone should be there. What the fuck?
It's really firing because of the lag.
Yeah,
The bubbles. Oh, I got 1,000 on him.
There we go.
Yep.
I think, like, keep retargeting, like, turn them off, turn them on again. Yeah, that's it. Turn them off, turn them on again. If you got drones, just turn them off, turn them on again, and it does the damage. If you do it, like, it must go into, like, some kind of system. If I'm doing it, fuck tons of damage on him in, like, 4K already. Get fucked, motherfucker. Yeah,
oh yeah, there we go.
Die, bitch.
Of course, I don't have a drone mode in here.
I'm gonna orbit closer. I'm gonna orbit closer and scram him.
Yeah, scramming.
Oh, yep, I just did 1,000 on him.
Yeah, scramming. He is dead. 21. Rich. Get some.
Talk shit, get hit.
Absolutely.
Fun police. Woo! Yeah, he's scrammed.
I'm hitting him for zeros now, so I'm trying that drone thing. It's not working. There's a big hit. Somebody just took a chunk out of him.
As of one, can't put people on 40s and normal on blue stack, that'd be. Boom, I think he just. Oh, so one of the other guys just popped. One to go.
How is he still here?
He's lagged or something. Like, I can't get a warp scram on him. Why?
Oh, he's in Moniker's in a capsule. That's not who we're attacking. There we go. Oh, 103. Dang, it's not much.
He might have an invulnerability shield on at the minute. Yeah, he does. I'm only doing 200. Scared. I can't seem to get a fucking disruptor on him. What the fuck? The disruptor icon's broken. He's down the hole.
It's okay. I have 4 points of point on him.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got it too. I'm trying to get something right of it. Muffet. Mike Uniform Papa Hotel Echo Tango. It's in DMG. Oh. Bad. Like, so bad. Sent. That guy. Get him. Wow, it's so laggy that he should be dead already, am I right? Oh, I did 330, that'll do. Yeah, take it.
Yeah, he lost his little shield thing now. Get him.
Yeah, if you keep reactivating your drones, it seems to work a bit better. Like, they can't be relied on. Big top, 123. Come on, do some damage. Yeah, this whole drone reactivation thing is working pretty well. 196.
Guess I better go get a drone ship.
My only job is to point him. My missiles absolutely do not fire here. They fire once when I relog, and that's it.
Yeah, I didn't work out with that game and a half. Sunday I'm local side dock and undock. I can fix it.
Yeah.
Even my first volley didn't go off this time.
Dock undock works one time, but it's so slow.
Oh, getting locked back.
Is he still alive?
Yeah.
He's still alive. Wow.
He's like got me a lot.
Do you think he has friends healing him?
I don't think so. I don't think he has friends.
It's just a lag, man. Well, apparently I was disrupting him because now my disruptors are disengaged. What the actual?
It's okay. I'm still pointing him. I'm not leaving him. My only job is to point him, and he can't have 4 points of unpoint. No, my weapon doesn't work.
Yeah, just got
I'm
180,
closing on him.
237, 133,
Sweet damage.
229.
Yeah. He's low.
Yeah, he's so low.
Yeah, right now my fucking warp disruptors are activated. What is going on?
Dude, don't turn those off.
Well, no, but they just weren't doing the, like, around or about. Just sat there, like, and then when I disengaged, it was, like, telling me that they were doing, like, it says, oh, you can't activate it.
He
So
just
they
took a
must have
big
been
jump.
going.
He's going down. He probably has no idea why.
Oh, he knows why.
That
Oh,
log.
there he goes.
He's an asshole.
Yes.
Cancel that bitch.
Where is he?
I've tried to
Can't find him.
I think I looted him.
He jumped real quick.
How?
He's been sitting there probably tapping warp for the last 20 minutes.
Sure.
Alright, who are we going after?
Oh, I got top damage. I did 9